What's going on, everybody? It's Michael Alder here from CarpetExpertBlueprint.com, and in this video I just want to share with you a couple of the tools you need to do vinyl plank installations. Now, the great thing about vinyl planks, you typically don't need a saw. You may want an undercut saw for some of the door jambs, but I'm going to show you a trick to get around that if you don't want to invest in that. Basically, to do vinyl plank installation, this is your key tool. You're going to need a utility knife. I choose a utility knife over a carpet knife just because the blades are a little bit beefier, less likely to break on you when you're making those cuts. You're gonna need a hammer to go ahead and tap some of the tricky planks together. Now, you need a tape measure, but it's probably not for what you think. A lot of people think you gotta measure each plank and cut it when you get to your walls. I'm gonna show you a trick around that in a follow-up video, so be sure to subscribe to capture that when it comes out. Basically, the main thing you're gonna need your tape measure for is when you're running it down, you wanna make sure you're staying straight with the wall. So check it periodically because you're tapping the planks around, and it could cause the floor to shift when you're first starting. So every few rows, you just want to take a moment, measure off of the wall with your tape measure to make sure you're staying straight all the way down, and you're not going to have slanted planks at the other end, realizing you installed a crooked floor. And then the blowtorch. Now, this is going to be the trick you're going to use versus an undercut saw when you come to the door jambs and things like that. So like I said, I'm going to shoot a couple different videos showing you these tricks to help save you time and money. But one other thing, I see a lot of people investing in tapping blocks, and it's totally unnecessary. Whether you're doing laminate floors, vinyl plank floors, whatever, you don't need to buy tapping blocks because all a tapping block is your existing floor. So check this out, and hopefully we can get a decent angle of this. We're starting to lose light right. Alrighty, so to create a tapping block, all you would do is take your existing plank. We're gonna lob a section off of this, so we're gonna have a little bit of each edge on it. So we're gonna take from this end here. Now I'm gonna split it in half. So now I've created a tapping block for whichever angle I need to put the planks together. Now next, just to show you in action here, we're gonna take our plank. We're gonna lock it on. We're gonna take our tap block, set it here. Down, and then these are I don't like these planks, but they drop down and they lock in. So ideally, use a rubber mallet. I'm just using a hammer. So that's my tips and tricks on how to create a tapping block as well. Be sure to subscribe, and I'll shoot those follow-up videos sharing how to template out the floorings and make the door cuts. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll catch you on the next video.